Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting your source right. Import the cleanest footage and set the project to your target resolution and frame rate so edits stay sharp. Next, create a new composition and drop your clip on the timeline. This prevents accidental scaling. Once done, enable any 16-bit or high dynamic range options in Alight motion to preserve highlight and shadow detail, because HDR depends on retained tonal information rather than crushed blacks or clipped whites. You now build the HDR effect by separating tonal zones. Duplicate the clip and treat one for highlights and the other for shadows. Apply curves on the highlight layer, lift the upper curve and compress midtones slightly. This expands perceived brightness. On the shadow layer, lower blacks and raise low midtones to recover detail, then use blend modes such as screen or add, adjusting opacity between 0, 5 and 1. 5 for balance. Make sure to toggle layer visibility to compare and avoid unnatural halos. Finish by refining color and preserving dynamic range. Add a subtle vibrance boost, but keep skin tones natural by adjusting selective color or HSL. Apply mild sharpening only, because over-sharpening can exaggerate noise in bright areas. Then use highlight and shadow sliders to remove any clipping. Check scopes if available. Finally, export at a high bitrate and choose an HDR-capable container if your device supports it. If brightness shifts or banding appear, reduce contrast and re-export at a higher bit depth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.